This is a dumbbell skull crusher, and we'll be working on the triceps when we're doing this exercise. Now, when performing this exercise, the main thing is that we are lying horizontally on a bench, and you can see that I prop my feet on the bench. Reason for this is so that I minimize the amount of arch in my lower back as much as I can, and this would allow for me to maintain as much of a neutral spine as possible, which allows for my rib cage to not be tucked into that arch position, and this would also influence how my shoulder blade sits on my rib cage. So basically, your shoulder blade lies on your rib cage, and if you have too much of an arch on your lower back, this results in your shoulder blade to glide into that slightly retracted or downward position, and this influences how your arms will be positioned. Now, when you're doing exercise, basically prop your feet on the bench, keep your elbow at a stationary position throughout, and all you think about is lowering the dumbbell and bringing it back up. When performing this exercise, it is important not to constantly move your elbow up and down while moving your hand, because at the end of the day, we are using the tricep as the main elbow extensor. So moving your elbow while moving your hand negates the exercise in terms of its effectiveness. So main thing is put your elbow at a position that is comfortable for you. For me, it is slightly angled outwards, and then lower your hand as low as you can while keeping your elbow stationary through it all. Once again, the most important thing is we want to maintain the shoulder blade positioning. We do not want movement at the shoulder blade. We want to keep everything stable while only movement is happening at the elbow joint.